Welcome to our AI course for beginners. In this video, we will introduce artificial intelligence, often called AI. AI is a branch of computer science focused on creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. From smart assistants like Siri to self driving cars, AI is all around us. In the coming videos, we will learn how AI works and how you can get started. Let's dive in. There are different types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI is designed for a specific task like Google Translate. General AI can learn and perform any task a human can do. We haven't achieved this yet. Super AI, which surpasses human intelligence, is still theoretical. Most of the AI we use today is a narrow AI. Now come on to the understanding of how AI works. AI systems learn from data. This process is called machine learning. They identify patterns in the data and make predictions. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks help AI systems recognize images, translate speech, and more. So, if we talk about the AI applications, AI is everywhere. In healthcare, it helps doctors detect diseases. In finance, it prevents fraud. In entertainment, it recommends shows on the Netflix. In transportation, it powers self-driving cars. Understanding these applications help us appreciate how AI transforms our lives.